Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. This is Charlotte Murchison, the wife of Roderick Murchison, which we talked about last week. She was born in Hampshire, England, and she met Roderick in 1815, where they were married in the same year. She had developed a love of geology much earlier than her husband, and had loved collecting and studying minerals. She encouraged her husband to return to geology, and eventually they moved to London so he could do just that. And she also went to the lectures with him. She and her husband worked together both in the field and in their studies. She collected many fossils and was an exceptional painter. This is one of her paintings. In fact, her fossil collection was so well kept that it was studied by William Buckland and James Sowerby. In fact, Sowerby was so impressed by her sketches that he named an ammonite fossil she sketched after her, Ammonites murchisinae. It is now known as Ludwigia murchisinae, but you get the point. She accompanied her husband and Charles Lyell to France while they were out on their excursions, and Charlotte would build panoramas, like this one, of the region which would be incorporated into her husband's work. Lyell was impressed with her skills at sketching and her diligence in labeling specimens. However, she had to push Lyell into allowing women to attend his geology lectures. Sadly, due to her first trip to mainland Europe, Charlotte had contracted malaria, which caused lifelong health problems and eventually killed her. Get your malaria shots. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn more about the first land animal. Fossilize you later.